Hello guys. So in this session, we're going to install Jasper Server. In this server, I only have ERP Next installed. IP so this is the IP address of my server. Okay, so let's check it. So this is the ERP Next because Jasper Server, we're going to install Jasper Server where ERP Next is also installed. So, okay, Jasper Server, if you're going to check it, then it's not yet installed, it's not running. So, okay, now we're going to install it here. Now, before we can install, the first step is download the package. So, first step, download the package. So, this is the link where we're gonna download the package. But I already downloaded the package. So this is the one. This is the downloaded file. So once you run uh, this wget and the link where Jasper server is located. So okay, let's see where is that now. So if you're going to remove this wget, uh, remove that one. This is the location where Jasper server is, right? Okay, so we're going to download this one, right? Okay, now, so and this is how we're gonna download it. So once we're gonna download this is the downloaded file. So once we downloaded the file, the next step is we're going to change it into a executable file, because by default file this file the installer is not executable. So we're going to make it executable by running this command chmod plus x, then the file. Once we run it, it's done. Now it's executable. It will change the color into green like this, and the asterisk that one. By default, when we download it, there is no asterisk here, and this is not green. So it means this is the indicator that it is already executable. Okay, now, so yes, that's green. Now, the third thing we have to do is to run the executable file. How are we going to run the executable file? So, period, backslash, and then the file. So, okay, once we run that, uh, it will invoke the installer to prompt us with series of questions. So, continue. We just gonna enter continue until we reach to the point that we're going to accept the mm, license. Okay, okay, accept the license, yes. Then we're gonna install all components and samples, one, and then I will accept the default. You can select any folder that you want to store the Jasper server, but I will select the default. Okay, enter. Now it will ask you to install Chrome, but I will not install Chrome. I don't need it. So do you want to install Chrome? No. And then reports. Okay, are you going to continue? Yes. Now click continue. Yes. Continue. So it will going to install Jasper server. Okay, now this one will take time, so I'm gonna pause the video, and then I will resume after the installation is finished. Because after this complete 100%, it will compile. Now it will take some time, so I will just pause. And okay, okay. Okay, I'm back. It's done. Now, what's the next step we have to do? So we're going to change the directory. cd, we're going to go to the install directory where Jasper Server is installed. Okay, so we're here now. Next is we're going to run or start the Jasper server. Okay, but how? How are we going to start Jasper? So we're going to start by running or executing the ctl script start. Okay, so once we execute that, it will start the server. It will run Postgres SQL, which by default the database of Jasper, and the Tomcat, where Jasper server is deployed. Okay, because Tomcat is a container for Jasper server. Okay, now now that it's running, we're going to check if Jasper server is running now. Okay, let's see. And voila, it's running. So we're going to log in. By default, the credential is Jasper admin and Jasper admin. Okay. By default, it is running on port 8080. You can change that, but for now we're not going to change that. So okay, let's test if it's running. Let's see the report. This one. Okay, so it's running. Okay, let's customer report. Let's see. Okay, now after we see that we test that this is running, so we manually actually what we have done is that we manually start Jasper server, but what if we're going to auto start it automatically once we restart the server, or sometimes uh, we turn off the server or we restart the server. So how we are going to auto start Jasper server? So now the next thing we need to do is to make it start automatically whenever we restart the server. Okay, so we're going to run cron tab, and then at the bottom we're going to put the this line. Actually, this line we're going to put this one. Okay, we have to insert this line attribute. It will the path of the Jasper server where it is installed, and the control script. So start. So that's the only thing you need to do, and then let's see X. So I'm going to restart the server. Okay, so this is running now. So it should run automatically run once we restart the server. Okay, let's need 6. Let's restart it. Okay, start the server. Now it's starting, and boom, it's started. Okay, it's refreshing now. Okay, I'm going to manually refresh it. Let's see. Just press I will just close this one, and okay, run it, and voila, it's running. Jasper admin, Jasper admin. Okay, now we successfully installed Jasper Server. Okay. Then in the next video, we're going to configure data sources to uh, get the data from ERP Next. So we're going to configure Jasper Server to get data to ERP Next. I mean, we are going to connect Jasper Server to ERP Next database because later on, if once we're gonna design a report, um, Jasper Server will pull the data from uh, ERP Next. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you.